Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Divinity in Destiny 2. First, you need to own the Shadowkeep expansion. Then, travel to the moon and find the Divine Fragmentation quest. This quest begins near the lunar battlegrounds, specifically at the entrance to the raid. You'll interact with a Vex construct to pick up the initial quest step. This is the crucial first step to acquiring this powerful exotic trace rifle. Once you have the quest, you'll need to enter the Garden of Salvation raid with a full fireteam of 6 players. During the first 3 encounters, your team must activate several hidden Vex puzzles. These puzzles are found in specific locations and require careful coordination to link them correctly. Each puzzle, when solved, progresses your quest step, leading you closer to the Divinity. The Vex puzzles involve connecting a chain of nodes using the Divinity tether mechanic. One player activates a node, and others must link to it, and then to the next node in the sequence. There are 7 distinct puzzle sequences scattered throughout the raid. Successfully completing each one requires excellent communication and precise timing from your entire fireteam. Don't rush. Take your time to ensure each connection is made correctly. After successfully solving all 7 Vex puzzles and defeating the final boss of the Garden of Salvation raid, your journey is almost complete. The Divinity Exotic Trace Rifle will drop from the final chest. Congratulations, you've earned one of Destiny's 2 most unique and powerful weapons. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy using your new weapon in your future adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.